This is the privacy screen protector from Vintez, size 24-inch, 16:9 ratio. Thank you, Vintez, for sending it to us to compare and share. So before choosing the correct size, you need to determine your screen type. There are two types of screen: raised bevel display and flat glass display. For the raised frame, you need to measure your screen's height, width, and diagonal, excluding the frame. And the flat glass display has edge-to-edge glass and is completely flat without raised frames. You need to measure your screen's height, width, and diagonal, including the frame. If you still didn't find your size, contact Vintez support by providing the brand and model number of your monitor. Alternatively, you can send a picture of the label on the back of your monitor's panel. They'll be able to determine the brand and model from this information, and within 30 minutes, they will reply to you which size you need. The set includes the packing box, the privacy screen, cleaning set, microfiber cleaning cloth, manual instructions, adhesive strips, and slide mounts. They also have a small bonus gift for you inside the box. The filter is anti-glare and scratch resistant. This privacy screen protector protects your eyes by filtering UV and curbing blue light. It's a reversible privacy screen filter, giving you the flexibility to choose a glossy or matte side. The matte side has an anti-glare function. The glossy side gives you extra privacy. They have two installation methods. First, using the double-sided adhesive tape attached to your monitor. And the second one, using transparent plastic tabs so you can remove the privacy screen protector at any time. It's really easy to attach options. The computer privacy filter makes the screen appear dark when looking at it from an angle. The angle is about 30 to 60 degrees, but bright when looking directly at it. To change the privacy angle from 60 to 30 degrees, simply adjust your monitor's brightness level. It is not recommended to use the privacy filter in a dark room. The filter is most effective in a well-lit room. As they have a lifetime replacement policy in case you ordered the wrong size or have other issues, you may contact Vintez customer support and they will immediately replace you with the correct size.